How many places do you visit in a day? The gym, the office, coffee shops, public washrooms, you name it. What's the one thing these places all have in common? Germs. We can't control them. Germs are a part of life, but what we can do is control what we bring inside.
Easier said than done.
Not with this. This is the Coral UV2, the revolutionary chemical-free one-size-fits-all sanitizer. It's one device, but it really does three things.
3 things in one?
First, it sanitizes. It uses UVC LED technology, which is clinically proven to eliminate up to 99.9% of all-unwanted germs. It's effective against bacteria, fungus, virus, mites, and air contaminants.
All of them?
Yeah, all of them.
That's brilliant.
Wait, there's more. Second, it filters. It uses a commercial-grade HEPA filtration system to capture 99% of airborne contaminants such as dust, dirt, and vapor. Oh, would you be able to sanitize my watch before I leave?
No.
I'll let myself out. And third, if you have wet stuff, it has the option to both sanitize and dry together. Nice. Using a temperature-controlled smart drying cycle, the Coral UV2 removes moisture from any item. More dry or less dry?
Look.
Right. Wait, there's a better way. Easily done with a push of a button, and far more environmentally friendly than disposable wipes. The Coral UV2 uses the newest UVC LED lights. It's 100% mercury-free, chemical-free, odor-free, and ozone-free. Perfectly suited to anything in your home or workplace.